You are watching Mountain TV. Stay connected.
दोस्तों सब्सक्राइब कीजिए माउंटेन टीवी चैनल को, साथ में बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो अपडेट के लिए।
This video I'm gonna show you how to screenshot on iPhone. So let's play the video. So now I'm gonna show you quick video tutorial. Must you know how to do screenshot on iPhone 7. Now there is a really two different method to do screenshot on iPhone. So the first method is I'm gonna show you now. So first method to do screenshot will be press on home key and same time press on power button. See now here in camera snapping press. So you just press the home key and power button at the same time. See in the video. See, this is the first method. So it's very easy, guys. And the second method is look different, which I am doing. You go to settings, and click on accessibility. Then you click on touch, accessible touch. Just click this button and you can turn on the accessible touch. You just turn on this option. Click this and turn on it. So when you turn on it, then you go to customize top level menu. Just click on it. Then when you turn, then you just click on custom option. Then you go to scroll down and you will find the screenshot options. See here, this is the screenshot option. You just click on here and tap on the done option. See, when you done, then you back to all the home page and touch on the icon menu button. So just click on the icon button. Then you can see the screenshot options. They are ready, so you can screenshot anything. So what you want to screenshot on your phone, you just click on the icon button and just press on the screenshot option. So screenshot, when you took a picture, you go to photos or gallery. So yeah, that's it. So and one thing, you can edit screenshot also. You can do edit also, and you can crop the screenshot, or you can edit a screenshot as well, whatever you want. You can do it. So you just click the screenshot and click on the edit option, and in the down there is the editing option, so you can click anywhere. So yeah, guys, this is important and very easy for screenshot on iPhone. So that's it for video today. So to way to take a screenshot which was iPhone 7. So hopefully guys this video will help you, and finally to request you click on the subscribe on the button to will notify on the next video. Also share video with your friends and family. Thank you.